One day I was just wondering about life, that which thing that we need the most. When I thought about this thing and I got that we all want only one thing, whatever we are doing and whatever we will think to do, we want only happiness. We want pleasure. It doesn't matter that how, but we want pleasure. But the problem is we are not getting, and we have been living an unhappy life. When I thought about the reasons, then I got some reasons because of that we have been living an unhappy life. First is expectation. We expect from people that they will do this thing for me, they will make me happy. But how can another person know our expectation? They cannot know our expectation, then how can they fulfill? But we have been expecting, and many people have been expecting this thing, and they have been getting sadness. If we do not stop now for expecting, then we would be living a unhappy life. Expectation play a very important role in our life to make us unhappy. As less we expect, as much we live a happy life. Second thing is that wrong concept of happiness. We have been having a wrong concept that after getting a lot of money, after getting a big car, after getting a big house, after getting my dream girl, I will be happy. But it is not like that. Whatever we want today, after getting all this thing, we want more, because it is a human tendency that whatever we have, we want more. If I have confidence, if I have money, I want more, and this process will keep running, and we will never be able to live a happy life. And we will never be live a happy life. For living a happy life, we don't need to have anything. We just need to choose to be happy. Let me exemplify with a story. Once a question was asked in a party to a lady that does your husband make you happy? Lady said, no, my husband never made me happy, and he does not make me happy. It is not his responsibility to make me happy. Neither whether I am happy or not, it is my responsibility to be happy. I choose to be happy in every condition of life. I have decided to be happy, whether I am alone, whether I am with him, whether I am poor, whether I am rich. I have decided to be happy. But maximum people think that after getting a lot of money and after getting a luxurious life will make me happy. But how can a luxurious life will make me happy? We can buy only utility value from money. Like car has utility value, mobile has utility value, and computer has utility value. If I would find my happiness in car, then how would I find? Car was made for travel, not for giving us happiness. But nowadays we are doing same thing. We are finding our happiness in utility value. That is the biggest reason we have been living an unhappy life. And this lady proved that we don't need to have anything to be happy. We just need to choose to be happy, and we will be happy. Now in last, I would like to say a quote that no one can make us happy except us. So remember this thing, that if I choose to be happy, then we will be happy. So have a nice life. Thank you for listening me.